Hi, my name's Luke and I'm a product specialist here at Southern Scientific. Today, I'm going to be discussing our hand contamination monitor, the Handhound. The Handhound is a voice-activated and wall-mounted system for HSE compliant hand contamination monitoring. Its primary use is in nuclear medicine and PET departments. The Handhound has an internal detector to monitor low to medium energy gamma radiation, such as technetium-99 or other common nuclear medicine radioisotopes. For PET applications, an alternative detector can be installed to detect higher energy radioisotopes, such as F-18. A common pitfall of using traditional hand and foot monitoring systems is the difficulty in identifying contamination in high background areas. However, the Handhound is fitted with an additional 13mm of lead collimation around the detector. This focuses the detection area and lowers background radiation, such as from recently injected patients sat nearby. For further assurance, an adjustable rolling background count is displayed to ensure that measurements taken are reflective of true contamination events. Because the Handhound focuses on reducing contamination, it features stainless steel housing for easy sanitization and voice activation for hands-free operation. The Handhound uses voice recognition software, allowing you to distinguish between users and to aid in filtering out background noise. To satisfy typical HSE compliance, an operator list can be created, allowing you to produce an ongoing audit trail for measurements for each potential user. All the data recorded is stored on a CSV file, which can be exported wirelessly or manually by using a USB memory stick. To set up a user, unlock the Handhound with the key and plug in the USB keyboard provided. By then pressing Escape, you can access the settings in the top left corner. On the Users tab, you can create a library of names, each with a corresponding tagline. The name defines the user for the measurement records, and the tagline is what the voice recognition software will be listening out for. Once ready, simply place your hands under the detector, wait for the list of users to appear, and say your tagline into the microphone above the screen. Once your name has been highlighted, say Continue for a reading to begin. The Handhound will give you a pass or a fail, which is dependent on the alarm thresholds you've set. The time the reading is taken over is fully customizable, and you can either take one measurement for both hands or two individual measurements. An additional reading can also be taken to account for PPE. All these options can be adjusted in the Settings tab. The Handhound is simple, compact and cost-effective. It's a way of ensuring that contamination does not go unmissed. For any information, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@southernscientific.co.uk.